The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Lucid Group with the ticker symbol LCID. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Lucid Group, and I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and mark the spot we left on, which is back on August 4th, which is right over here. And prices were trading right around that 1854 level. Since then, we have dropped substantially. So in my previous analysis, I was expecting a new low to be made of this downtrend, which is right over here at that 1325 level, and we came pretty close to it. Right now, we're just receiving a bounce because we are a little bit extended from the EMA, so we could see a pullback in the short term. Let me show you guys the overall pattern. So it looks like there's some strong resistance at this 2025 level, and looks like there's some type of support possibly right around here at that 1556 level. Let's go and make this yellow. So it looks like this is the range pattern, and the range is like a black hole, meaning everything gets sucked to it. You can see this breakout here, it came back inside the range, led to a breakout on the opposite side, we came back inside the range, started making lower lows and lower highs. So this tells me that there's a downtrend formation. If I connect the swings, you can see this is the new pattern that looks like traders are going to be trading. So even this breakout could fail right here, but since this looks like a stronger downtrend than before, this could lead to lower prices. So in the short term, we could see a pullback to this EMA, and maybe even all the way back up to this range at this 2025 level. But in the medium to long term, we're probably going to get a new low of this downtrend. I do not think this is the bottom. Obviously it's not 100%, but I think we're going to get a new low of this entire bear market for this stock, because it dropped so much so far. Looks like it dropped from November of 2021 more than 70%. And in that drop, you can see there was this channel right over here. I'm going to connect the swings also. You can see that this is a nice fitting channel, probably something like right there. Let's go and drag this down. So it looks like this is the channel that prices were inside of. We had a breakout of this channel and then two legs up, which is pretty much perfect price action. You can see there's the first leg, second leg. We almost came to that 2268 level, found resistance, sold off because it was a breakout. And ever since then, once we have a break of a channel and two legs up or down, we're gonna go back to probably the retest the previous extreme point. It's just normally what you see. It's not my rules I made, it's just what you see reoccurring, and it just works. So looks like we're gonna be getting that new low of the downtrend at that 1326 level, and probably even exceed it. Since this is a range breakout and this one could be successful, we could make a measured move outside of it, and that would take us to the $10.89 level, which I'll mark with a horizontal line. So since my previous analysis, prices did drop about 18% right now, and at one point it was 25%. So if you invested $1,000, you are down $250. If you invested $10,000, you are down $2,500. So again, that's why technical analysis is very important. You could avoid costly mistakes, and this is exactly what I'm talking about, where the likelihood was much higher that we were going to go lower than higher. So that's pretty much all I have for the daily chart. Basically, nothing really has changed at all. We're just getting closer and closer to my lower price targets. Obviously, in the short term, I could be wrong, and we could go back up first. We could even go back up to the $22 level. I'll still be bearish because this is really not that much bullish signs to convince me or change my mind. So I don't think we're going to get up that high, but let's just say we do. I'm still bearish. Now, what's more likely to occur is probably a pullback to the 15, or we're already at the 15, excuse me, the 16, maybe 50 level. Maybe we get a break outside of this orange pattern. Even then, we're still expecting to retest to the lows. So still bearish on this stock, and it could be a while before we see any bullish price action. So let's go and switch over to the weekly chart. We have the weekly chart for Lucid. I'm not gonna even go over the fundamentals because I looked at the earnings and they barely have any earnings, and the market cap is 25 billion, which is ridiculous. But again, let's just focus on the technicals because that already tells me where this stock is most likely headed. You can see that we had a massive leg down. It looks like we're still in the formation of this second leg, very similar to SPCE, which I did. We had 2 legs down and we did come near that target. So this 2 legs down is right around that $8 or $9 level, and my previous ones were at the $10 level. So we're probably going to see single digits for the stock, still below the weekly EMA, finding resistance from it. For the bullish signs, there was a breakout, so this breakout could fail because you can see this range pattern for several months. We had a breakout of it, so this could fail and be a potential bottom. Sometimes when you have these breakouts, it could be a bottom, but the thing is we didn't make a new low yet of this downtrend, and the measure moves are lower, so there's still reasons for traders to be shorting this stock instead of looking for longs. So they're just going to do whatever is higher probability and more profitable. So a good trader is probably going to be looking for shorts. Obviously some traders are going to be looking for longs, and that's their strategy, but I believe the more conservative and professional traders are going to be looking for shorts. And right now there was a good opportunity to go short back in early July, early August. Now they're just in profit and riding down this down move. So until I see a confirmed uptrend, meaning prices starting to make higher highs and higher lows above this EMA, then there's no reason to be bullish. So that's all I have for Lucid. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised and wait to learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.